Dear students, now we are discussing the first chapter of history, that is Advent of Europeans to India. It means the arrivals of Europeans to India. Europeans came to India. That means Europeans came to India in the Middle Ages. In this chapter we are going to study the three main points that are: first one is the trade relation between India and Europe. Second one is the fall of Constantinople. Third one is a new sea route to India. In the first paragraph, they have said the trade relationship between India and Europe was very good in the ancient times. Also, it was continued during the Middle Ages. So there was a great demand for Indian merchandises or Indian spices, especially the spices like pepper, cardamom and ginger among the European countries. So these merchandises carried by the Arab merchants into the Constantinople. This was the capital city of Eastern Roman Empire and Byzantine Empire. This Constantinople, today's Istanbul, the capital city of Turkey. In that time, the Constantinople was the capital city of Byzantine Empire. The Byzantine Empire ruled the Europe in that time. And these are merchandise carried by the Arab merchants through the Constantinople and purchased by the Italian merchants. And Italian merchants sell among the European countries. These goods sold among the European countries by the Italian merchants. Like this, the Constantinople was the center of international business and considered as the gateway of European trade. And this time Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries. Here is the Asian continent, here is the Europe continent, and here it is the Constantinople. Arab merchants carried the merchandises, especially the spicy merchandises, through the Constantinople and sell them the Italian merchants. Then Italian merchants purchase all the spicy goods and sell among the European countries. So that Arabian merchants had gained over the monopoly. Monopoly means there is no other competitors in the trade. They are the only traders. Who? The Arab merchants. The Arab merchants had gained the monopoly over the Asia continent, and in the same way Italian merchants had gained the monopoly over trade in Europe. And also the merchants from Asia from Asia had brought good profits of Italian merchants. Who gained the good profit here? The Italian merchants had gained the good profit. The Italian merchants had gained the good profit from the Asian merchants or Arab merchants.